Welcome to this video. I'm going to start off by showing you a clip from TJR and what it takes to become profitable. So let's just go ahead and watch it.
Perfect example is one of my friends, shout out More Trades, Darius. A year ago, we all came here to Miami and he was filming TikToks, kind of journaling his process as an unprofitable day trader. And he came out there, super small influencer, like 7,000 followers, but like we all just fucked with him. And I was really popping at the time, obviously making a lot of money. He only had $50 in his bank account.
How do you even start with 50 bucks? What do you trade with?
Demo, paper money. After that trip, I talked to him a lot. I gave him 10K and I was like, I believe in you. I see like younger me in you. But fast forward to today, he's living in Puerto Rico, tax-free, in the same neighborhood as me, and making 50 to like upwards of sometimes 6 figures a month from trading. The difference between him being unprofitable, and that was like right when he started trading, to now making money in trading on a live account and actually paying all of his bills with trading. He worked at Domino's to pay his bills, and then 10 to 12 hours was just spent purely on trading.
A day?
Yeah.
How do you do trading for 10 to 12 hours? Just studying?
Yeah, so like there's different tools like FX Replay where you can go back in time. It's called back testing. If you only were to practice trading and just demo trade and only trade in the live markets, you're going to suck for a really, really long time. Versus if you back test, you can simulate hundreds of thousands of trades in one single day and get hundreds of and thousands of reps every single day instead of just taking one trade and then wait for the next 24 hours to go by, another trade, and then maybe you don't even take a trade because there's news.
Yeah.
So he was journaling, was working on a psychology, and then also working on a strategy every single day for close to around a year, and now he has his own live account trading with his own funds, and he's making good money. So
That's sick. But just for reference though, this is like one dude grinding for a little over grinding for an entire year
ass off,
with like pretty much probably it sounds like the best system possible to grind in, right? Like making the most out of every single opportunity, not just doing normal markets, normal hours, learning from probably the best teacher, and it took about a year, right? So on average, would you say like 3 probably?
Oh yeah, for you to be making like kind of like shitting on him money, yeah, like 3 years.
So 10 to 12 hours a day. More trades if you've seen them or not, but 10 to 12 hours a day for a whole year is what it takes to be at the level of where you want to be. It takes fucking grinding, and I have not been able to put in those type of hours yet. But I'm now on winter break, and I started to put more hours in. I've been meditating, and I'm just going to show you what it takes to get there. So in the past week, I've probably put in like 7 hours. But I want this number to get to 100 hours by January 15th. I want this number to get to 200 hours maybe. That's my goal. My goal is not money. There's no money. That's my goal. Obviously, I want to prove that I'm a profitable day trader in FX Replay, but there's a lot of fucking work for me to do. But even with this and how shitty this looks, I have been, in the fucking past 7 hours I've been day trading on FX Replay, I've seen a shit ton of progress. The way I read price action, the way my brain like looks at the charts and sees what price is reacting off of, I've seen so much progress, so much better. And even though it doesn't show on like my actual trades, I know that there's stuff I need to get better at. I need to refine stuff, I need to work on things, and that also comes with psychology. So I'm going to be meditating, reading, and being able to manage my emotions and be patient. So that's what it takes to be a profitable trader. I mean, anything in this life, you have to put in hours upon hours of work when you're tired, when you're bored, when it feels tedious and monotonous. You got to put the fucking hours in. You're not always going to be like this passionate, oh, this is so exciting. You genuinely have to love trading, and you have to have a deep feeling in your soul that you want this shit. That you will not stop no matter what to get this shit. And your intention with day trading is extremely important. What do you want to do this for? Are you doing it just to make some quick money, to get rich quick? Are you doing it to buy your fucking Lambo and buy your dream house and you have no other intentions? You will not fucking be able to go through the boredom it takes. But if your intentions are to be the best day trader you can, and obviously the money comes with that, and like the very start of wanting to day trade is because of money, but when you put the money aside and you try to be the best day trader you can and put the hours in, and you have this deep like feeling in your soul that you want to be a profitable trader, and you can enjoy the hours you put into FX replay, and you can also push through when you're feeling bored and frustrated. That's when you'll reach your goals. You'll start to see them get closer. And my goal is the input, not the output. I am going to put in so much fucking work that I have to get where I want to go. There is no fucking doubt that I will get there. Because if I put in 500, if this number reaches 1,000 hours, I guarantee it. I will be so much better of a day trader than I am right now. Just my intuition. If this number says 1,000 hours, I will be such a better day trader. I will be taking so many good trades. I will be taking the best trades I can. I will be such a good day trader. And my goal is to have this number in the next 30 days, say 200 hours. 200 hours, let's do some math. I have 30 days. 30 divided by 200. 30 divided by 200 is 6. That's 6.5 hours every day. So if I could put in 6.5 hours, let's just say 6 hours every day, this number will go up. So, 6 hours, it's fucking doable. This winter break, I will be going to the gym. I will be doing FX replay, and I will be eating lunch, breakfast, dinner, and I will be doing more FX replay. I don't have any homework to do, no college work to do. So I'm going to be doing so much FX replay throughout this break, and my goal is to get this number as high as I fucking can. And I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be having quality work, not focusing on taking as many trades as I can, going through as many days as I can. I'm going to be focusing on journaling the days, making sure it's quality work, not fucking stupid work. And I don't know if I actually will get this to 200, but if I can get it to 100 by the end of these 30 days, I will be so much better of a trader, and I know that. I just know that. So, this is what I am going to do through this winter break to be the best day trader I can. And this is what it takes to be a profitable day trader. These markets are built against you. 90% of day traders fail. There's algorithms that are built to beat you. You have to be on top of your shit at all times. You have to be psychologically on top of your shit, mentally on top of your shit. You think people in the NBA, in pro sports, they just they don't practice at all. They show up to the games and they just play and then they wait for the next game? No, they're practicing. So this is a profession. This is a fucking profession. You need to put the hours in for game day. Game day is every morning, 9:30. Game day. You show up, you take the trade or not, and then you practice. On the weekends, you practice. On the days that you don't trade, you practice. On the days that you do trade, but you want to get better, you practice. And you can do a little bit less work when you're already a profitable trader, but once you get comfortable and you think, oh, it's finally coming here, I'm finally a profitable trader, I'm finally starting to see some success, and you start to get comfortable, that's when it all comes crumbling fucking down. Let me look at something on FX Replay real quick. So, on FX Replay, this was in does it say the actual date? No, it doesn't. But this is when I did my 15 days of 2 hour a day concentrated work studying. And the first time I tried backtesting after I did so much studying, it went really fucking well. I took you can't see my mouse, but I took maybe you can. 1, 2, 3 wins, 1 loss, 4, 5, 6. 6 wins not in a row. 6 wins, 1 loss. And I started to get comfortable. I started to lack. And what happened from there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losses in a row. 8 losses in a row because I got comfortable. I thought, I'm going to be a profitable trader. I'm almost there. I don't need to be studying as much. I don't need to be doing as much. And look what fucking happened. I got comfortable. I was thinking, oh, I'm going to be there. I'm finally seeing this. I'm finally seeing what I've been waiting for. No, I got humbled. I got comfortable. I got humbled. And that is exactly what should fucking happen. That's exactly what should have happened, and it did happen. Slap me in my motherfucking face. And I'm so glad it did, because that's a lesson I needed to learn, is that even when you're starting to see the progress play out, you're starting to see the success, once you start to get comfortable, you will lose your edge. And you have to be on top of your shit at all times. So you can't get comfortable. There's no point in this game you can get comfortable. So that's what I'm doing this winter break. That's what I'm doing to be the best day trader I possibly can. And even after this winter break, I'm going to be running up that hours spent number, as much as I possibly can. And I'm glad I get to see that. So thank you for watching this video. Do your backtesting too. Do your journaling. Do as much effort as you need to in the things you can. And the progress will show. I promise that. You just need to be able to push through boredom and tedious, monotonous work. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace the fuck out.